Hello students, welcome back to chapter number 6, subject EVS, page number 38, and the topic of our lesson is food we eat. On your screen you can see the page number 38. So students, without food can we survive? No. For strength, for growth and resist from diseases. Here, the meaning of resist means to fight back from the diseases. So, students, we can't live without air and also sunshine. Our body needs food and water to survive. Normally, a human body can go for more than 3 weeks without food. Nutritious food is necessary so that the body gets strength. Food helps us for giving strength to do work. It helps the body to grow and makes the body strong enough to resist diseases. So students, what can we eat to make our body strong? So, one should eat a balanced diet so that the body gets all the necessary components of nutritious. Food like milk, various grains, pulses, green leafy vegetables and ripe fruits should be there in our diet. So on your screen the pictures of the grain and the pulses. So it comes the pictures. So students, here on your screen it comes the picture of leafy vegetables. And we have discussed in chapter number 2 the plant fairy that leafy vegetables is so helpful. Now we will move the screen. Here comes the milk. Milk contains lots of calcium which help us to make our bone strong. Now we will move to the next one. Here comes is the pulses. So students, the meaning of pulses means the beans, dal. They are high protein, fiber and various vitamins. Now we will move to the next one. Here are some pictures. The same thing, pulses. Now we will move to the next one. Here the same pictures of examples of pulses. Now we will move to the next one. The same thing. You can see here the various types of dal are here there. Now we will move to the next one. Here it comes the grains. The wheat, the maize, the barley. These are the examples of grains. Here the same, you can see the picture. Here comes the fruits and here comes the more fruits, examples of ripe fruits. So students, here the picture of the grains. So we eat the chapati, comes from the wheat. These are all the types of grains. So students, now we will read the lesson. Start reading the lesson. Here comes a boy who is sitting and he is talking about the food which is ate by him. Last night I ate a chapati made up of bajra with jaggery. So students, here the meaning of bajra is, so the meaning of bajra means the millet and with jaggery means gur. So on your screen you can see the picture of millet. So on your screen you can see the picture of millet. And here the millet, health benefits of bajra, pearl millet. Here on your screen you can see the picture. So students, here on your screen you can see the photo of jaggery. A jaggery means made up of with a sugar cane. Gur is a natural product of sugarcane. Now we will see that girl was talking what she wants to tell. I cooked dal and rice. And the girl has cooked dal and rice. And beside that girl, one more girl is sitting. She is talking about yesterday no food was cooked in my house. And here downside, here it's written that I went to the Gurudwara with my grandmother. For the langar, we ate dal and chapati. So students, here the meaning of langar means a communal free kitchen. This is at a Guru Nanak Dev Ji established the langar where people eat together. Or it's a kitchen in Gurudwara where a free meal is served to all the visitors. Now we will move to the downside. Ammi had cooked kheer and puri, which I don't like, so I ate and chilla instead. Here the meaning of chilla, it is made with the besan, flour or suji or moong dal. Now we will see the photos of chilla. So students, on your screen you can see the photo of chilla, how it is prepared, and it is made by the besan or moong dal or suji. This suji means rava. Now we will move to the next one. Here comes the photos of chilla. So students, now we will move to the downside. My mother cooked idli. I ate lots of it. It was really tasty. And here downside, my mother brought dabeli for us. From the house where she works, we enjoyed eating it. Here comes the photo of dabeli. So students, on your screen you can see the picture of dabeli. It is a street food. So students, nowadays people are not eating a proper diet food. They are eating a poor quality diet food. So it means a junk food. The junk food is not very good for your health. That is ready to eat for a quick. But it contains high level of calories and fat and less in protein, vitamins or minerals. So the examples are the chocolates, candies, the fried fast food, pizza, burger. These are the examples of the junk food. The Maggi also. This type of food are unhealthy to eat. This can lead to an increased risk of obesity. Here the obesity means a disease where our body gains overweight and it causes cancer also. So on your screen I will show some foods, the junk food. So students, on your screen you can see the various types of fast food and it is called the junk food also. Here comes the examples of the junk food. So students, avoid eating junk food or fast food. If we eat only one type of food every day or do not eat what do not like, it is possible that there may be deficiency of some nutritious components in our body which can lead to diseases. People living in different regions of India have different food patterns. Now students, remember some good habit which we have to follow while eating. Inculcated in life. Here inculcate means remember or to learn more ideas or habits. So first of all, food should be chewed well. Various pulses should be eaten during the week. Fresh green vegetables should be eaten every day. Fruits also should be a part of a diet. And the last and the most, Teeth should be brushed after every meal. So students, hope you understand through the pictures that food is very essential in our daily diet. Now on your screen you can see the page number 39. Remember and write. What did you eat yesterday? Write it on the plate shown below. So students, you have to write the food which you have eat yesterday. So students, we will meet in the next video and we will learn from this one the question answers. Till then, bye bye, take care, thank you. So students, on your screen you can see the photo of workbook page number 36, which I have already given to your homework. Just I will read the question answers. So first question is, second one is, where do you throw the garbage of your house? We throw all our garbage directly into the trash cans kept by the municipality. Is the area around your house clean? Yes, the area around our house is clean because sweeper sweeps away dirt and keep the area clean. Where did Chotu start staying in Ahmedabad? Chotu made a large cement pipe his home and started staying in it in Ahmedabad. Who came to stay with Chotu? Chotu's friend Monu came to stay with him. With what did Chotu and Monu make a stove to cook food? The two friends collected bricks from nearby and made a stove with them to cook food. Seventh question. Which animal apart from our family members do we see living in our house? Apart from our family members, we see animals like rat, ants, mosquitoes, flies, cockroaches, lizards, etc. Eighth question. Why did the second boy Monu start staying with Chotu? The second boy Monu also must have come to Ahmedabad, just like Chotu. He too must not be having any place to stay, so he started staying with Chotu. Ninth question. Who will benefit due to Chotu and Monu coming together? Both Chotu and Monu will get the benefit by coming together. 10th question. Which natural thing might Chotu and Monu see? The two friends might use land, water, stones, wood, from trees, air, etc. Last question. What do human needs to live? Human need air, water and food to live. Besides this, humans also need clothes and shelter and many other things. So students, now we will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.